Hey baddies, welcome back to the channel. So today I will be doing my monthly expense tracker, unstuffing, I guess you could call it. If you're new here, my name is Jasmine. If you've been here before, welcome back. Make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me grow. Leave a like and a comment. If you want to see me, it's pretty much paying off one of my credit cards with my sinking funds. Go ahead and stay tuned. Welcome back. I'm sorry if I sound gross. The weather here is changing back and forth and I'm like super congested, so I do apologize in advance for that. So let's go ahead and get into our expense tracking. First of all, this is an expense tracker. It can be purchased on my site. It also comes with my all-in-one Baddie budgeting system, and it just gives you the opportunity to go through and track all of your transactions for a certain bank account, a certain credit card for your entire month. If you are that diligent, I haven't managed to do that in forever. But this just keeps me on track and to really see where my money is going for this credit card, and to just be sure that I am using my sinking funds the right way and managing my money correctly. So let's go ahead and get into it. I color code mine. Forgive the lighting, y'all. I need a second light. That one isn't gonna get it. But let's go ahead and get into it. So the first fund I'm going to be pulling from is my car insurance fund. And I went ahead and paid that 6 months in advance when I bought my car. So it was $656.83. That's what was charged on my card. They actually refunded me some of that because it ended up being a little cheaper, but I'll fix that. In the background, I want to pay what was charged. So I'm going here to my car insurance fund. And what did I say? 656. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 50, 75. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 50. We'll go 655. And we'll leave this 20 in to start building up for our April payment. So we're removing 655 for our credit card, and that leaves us with $20. Okay. So let's just set this money to the side. What I like to do is go ahead and check off the ones I've done. So next up we have an Amazon purchase. I bought a new chair for my desk in my bedroom. And so that money will be coming from rollover money. I've been putting my rollover money towards a credit card fund here, I guess, and my little bill envelopes. And again, these are also available on my site. So let's go over to that fund, and we're going to be pulling out 115.13. So we'll go 100. 10. We'll do 2 10s, and we'll put the 5 back. Okay. And I'm not gonna track this on my little budget sheet. It's fine. Well, let's go ahead and do the other one for this fund as well. So we've got that one. It looks like we have one here for Instacart for $115. So there's 50, 70, 90, 110, 115. So we got that taken care of. And for Prime Video, I purchased The Office. I love it. They took it off Netflix, so it's pretty much a business purchase because I use it. I watch it while I make binders and stuff, but I'll pay for it out of here. So what are we doing? 60. So 20, 40, 50, 60. So we will add that here. Put this money away. And all of our rollover credit card payments are now paid. So up next is subscriptions. So out of there, we are going to be doing, looks like 3 transactions as well. So we're gonna go back. Where do I put those? Oh, right here. So our subscriptions, we have $70 in here. I don't know if it'll be enough to cover everything, but let's do the largest one first. Let's just add them all up. So we have 31.39, 15.14, and 5.40, which is 51.93. Okay, so we have 70, so we'll go 50, 70, and we will just do $18 back. So let's just do 15. We'll just put 15 back in here. Gotta make sure my math is mathing, y'all. It's early. Okay, so we're going to, I say so all the time. It's probably annoying to somebody, my bad. All right, next up, we are going to go ahead and pull the ones from my personal sinking fund. So I bought some stuff for my bedroom, trying to switch up the vibe in here, keep my mental health top tier. And so we have 3 transactions here. So it looks like we have 18, 34, 39, 67, 824. So that's 66.25. Yeah, y'all, sometimes whenever you're like in a funk, sometimes just adding little cute things to your room really helps. Sorry, y'all, Shopify. So we only have 100 here. It really helps to switch up the vibe and, you know, make things cheery. We just had the time change where we gained hours, so it's like super dark early, and it always puts me in such a funk. So 66.25 is what we need. We have 100, so let's do 100 minus 67. So we need to put $33 back. So we'll just do the 30 because I don't have any smaller bills, because I just did a cash exchange. So we're gonna mark off all 3 of those. And one of our last, sorry y'all, this is a mess. Let's see, up next we have Rico. We went ahead and got his tank upgraded. And I used a little bit more than what I'm pulling out today, but I put it on a different card, so I have to pay it back separately. He needs 125 to pay back this card. Okay, so we got Rico taken care of. And very last, we have our phone bill, which was Old Sprint New T-Mobile, and that is $175.21. So let's see if I have enough in here for that. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 91, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75. Literally perfect. So let's put our 10s here and our 5. So that's 175. I think I'm 21 cents short, but I'm sure my buffer will cover that. So our bill was about $13.85.49, as you can see there. But we've got everything. Oh no. Let me quit lying. I still have, I made an Amazon business purchase off of my business card because I just didn't have it with me. So I'm going to pay that back out of my little, I keep my business stuff inside of this little A7 wallet. So these will be for sale soon, probably a Black Friday launch. So let me skip past those. And so I just keep extra cash in here from business money, just in case stuff like this happens. So the purchase was $20.35, and I'm actually going to pull it. Have y'all seen that TikTok where she's like, spare change? Does anybody? It's so funny. But anyway, so I need $20.35 from here. So I'm just going to grab a 20. Okay. And we will close this up. I made these little envelopes because I thought, ooh, I can make envelopes for these wallets, but no, ma'am. Took forever. It's just to get them to look exactly the same. It's just, I don't know how y'all do that. It's you're quite blessed. All right, so let's go ahead and count it. I think I'm just impatient because I know that if I make something like that, I'm gonna have to make 100 of them a week, and just the thought of that stresses me out. All right, so we need $13.85.49. Let's see what we came up with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 850, 9, 950, 1000, 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So that's perfect. I do not pay my balance down to zero. I know some people were leaving comments recommending that I leave a certain percentage just so that it reports some money owed, and I definitely do. I don't pay it down to zero. I pay it down to about 3%, but I just make sure that I pay it before the bill generates. So I'm gonna pay it today. Today's the 8th, and the bill will generate tomorrow night, so it'll be posted and it'll be there in time. So that's it, y'all. This is what I do once a month. It keeps me on track. It's been helping me build my credit. This, along with Self-Lender, a group I'm in on Facebook, really helps with like disputing stuff off of your credit report and getting it paid. And also, I'm getting ready to start Chime. So once I try that, I'll let y'all know and leave a link in the description for it as always. But Self-Lender has been really good. I started the account. Once I paid it off, I got a secured card with the money that I had paid in. And that really helped build my credit. And so, you know, and now it's unsecured. They actually unsecured it a few months back. So now it's just a credit card. So that's nice to have. But if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Again, everything you see here is for sale on my site. Today is Monday, so it's actually just restocked. Most of it will probably be gone by Tuesday or Wednesday. But get there while you can. If you want a binder, if you want some digital downloads, everything is there. That's all I have for today, y'all. This is a quick little video. I just wanted to show it because I know some of you guys really enjoy these. I hope you guys have a really great week. Looking forward to the holidays as much as I am. Y'all have a good day. Bye.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your